Today, the 11 May 2026, the 75th Foundation Day of the Dima Hasao Autonomous Council was held at Autonomous Council Campus Haflong under the guidance of young and dynamic leader Sri Devolal Golorsaji, Honorable Chief Executive Members, and Hills Autonomous Council Haflong. The formation and governance of North Kachar Hills was great to manage self-governance for the indigenous tribes such as Dimasas, Jemi Nagas, Mars, the Kupis, Biatias, Frankhol, Mikir, Zaintias, etc., and operate under the Assam Autonomous District Constitutions of District Council Rules 1951. The legal groundwork for its formation was held in the year 1951. It was to establish under provisions of 6th Schedule to the Constitutions of India under Article 2442 to provide local self-governance to the diverse tribes in the region. The first council was inaugurated by the first Chief Minister of Assam, Vishnu Ram Medi, on 29 April 1952. The initial structure of the council consists of 16 members with 12 elected members of district council and 4 nominated members of district council by the governor of Assam. The council administration has been changed in the year 1960. During this period, administration was part of the United District of Mikir and North Kachar Hills. The council was renamed as the North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council in the year 1995. Currently, the Autonomous Council has 30 members of Autonomous Councils with 2 nominated members of Autonomous Council and 2 principal secretaries, transfer and normal sector. Following a day of hard work at the council today, May 11, 2026, we gather at the Autonomous Council campus to celebrate a historic milestone, the 75th Autonomous Council Foundation Day. It was significant for the communities, and I am pleased to share the highlights with you in this video.
सबसे पहले नमस्कार, हमारा नाम है सुमिता लांगथासा। आज काउंसिल फाउंडेशन डे में हमरा दिब्राई रिंकुटामसा स्कूल का स्टूडेंट लोगों को हम डांस कराने के लिए लेके आए हैं। थैंक यू।
गुड मॉर्निंग। आज सभी को भी आज हमें 75 डे काउंसिल फाउंडेशन डे है और हम लोग भी उमरोंसू से आया है और कल्चरल ट्रूप अपना कल्चरल ट्रूप दिखाने के लिए आया है। स्पेशली हम लोग को इनवाइट किया है उमरोंसू कल्चरल सोसाइटी के लिए भी इनवाइट किया है, इसलिए हम लोग आज आया। और आज हम लोग जो पार्टिसिपेट करना है वो हम लोग का ट्रेडिशनल डांस है। अब हम लोग कार्बी का ट्रेडिशनल डांस और रिद नोंगचिंग दी, वही हम लोग आज पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए आया। थैंक यू।
के हो ही कुकी कल्चरल ट्रूप्स मोलनोम mahura ko na kahibin tu ni council inauguration adinga present kabol di uhin zalam kain vet sa di uhi zang chalam ahin ala hi le ungmang hausa milun lai namtinin lamang pa e mitin tuibang ki khole ti pile pute khanga ko na deum ta hausa milun lai ho anapa naw anala choi naw la chu le lam chu tu ne ha ka hin vet sa di hi je ye chun anave zo se na bon chawin kazana selam pi pumin ngai na ta nei vet pi win ka hin ti muin ei je keima kukin pi cultural secretary Mr. Tong Chong Loi molnom kai je
Oleh hi voisun tarik som pakhat mei sang ni le som ni le paruk ania dima so founding day mangna ding le inzomin HSA hun veng cultural troops kom filin kanang uma hi voisun hin kanang participate ve ding ani a sim ta ka kanang participate kanang tuma mi pui hai hi channel fet dengin low end sang dingin e hangin feel ani kalomi
नमस्ते। आज हम लोग का यहाँ आने का कारण है, आज हमारा 75 फाउंडेशन डे यहाँ पे इनॉग्रेशन प्रोग्राम चल रहा है। उसमें हम लोग का साउथ ऑटोनमस काउंसिल की तरफ से हम लोग को कल्चर ट्रॉप के लिए इनवाइट किया है। उसकी तरफ से हम लोग लोडी की ओर से लोडी की तरफ से हम लोग आए हैं और हम लोग का आज गान है जिलियांग रोंग में गोंग हंगे। ये गाना से हम लोग आज इस प्रोग्राम में नाच होगा। थैंक यू।
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आज दिमासा ऑटोनमस काउंसिल के 75वां स्थापना दिवस के में 1 मिनट का मौन रखें। Thank you, everyone. We would also like to felicitate our Honorable MLA Madam, Srimati Rupali Lamthasa ji. We also have our Honorable Chairman Sir of Dimasa Autonomous Council, Shri Mohit Hojai ji. We have on the dais MSc cum Vice Chairman Planning Board, Shri Dhriti Thausan ji. दिमासा ऑटोनमस काउंसिल के माननीय ईएम श्री दोनपाई नोंथाउसन जी, तो उनको भी हम सम्मान देना चाहेंगे। We also have our Deputy Chairman of Dimasa Autonomous Council, Shri Amin Lianthang ji. पद्मश्री अवार्डी श्री जयचरण बधारी, उनको भी हम सम्मान देना चाहेंगे। और उनके साथ है डॉक्टर रामखुई वांगडे जेएनयू में हमारे पद्मश्री अवार्डी, उनको भी हम सम्मान देना चाहेंगे। हमारे बीच मौजूद है हमारे दिमासा के एडीसी सर, उनको भी हम सम्मान देना चाहेंगे। We have our Honorable EM Sir Niranjan Hojai ji of Dimasa Autonomous Council. On the dais we have our PS sir, PSN. And our Joint Secretary Ma'am Rebecca Ma'am, उनको भी हम सम्मान देना चाहेंगे। और मैं अभी सभी फेलिसिटेशन टीम से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी, मंच पर जितनी भी अतिथि उपस्थित है अभी हम जातीय संगीत गा के आज के कार्यक्रम को शुरू करेंगे। तो आप सभी से निवेदन है, कृपया आप लोग अपनी जगह पे खड़े होकर जातीय संगीत गाएंगे।
Our Honorable CM Sir, Sri Devalan Gaurasa ji, Deputy Chairman, Honorable Deputy Chairman, all Honorable Executive Members and MSCs, respected PS, EC and SP, all FX bodies, and President Secretary of student organizations, of all student organizations, and my dear brother and sister of the Dimasa district. First of all, a very hearty welcome to all of you on this historic and joyous occasion of 75th Foundation Day celebration of our council. At the very outset, I would like to mention here that every year we celebrate this Foundation Day of our Autonomous Council on 29th April. But due to enforcement of MCC, that is Model Code of Conduct, in connection with election, MLA election, we have to defer this important celebration. Now I am very delighted that the council is bearing resilience, culture, tradition, while marching forward on the path of progress and development. 75 years ago, our forebears envisioned a system of self-governance that would empower the tribal communities, protect our rich cultural heritage, and ensure participatory development. Their noble vision, enshrined under the provisions of 6th Schedule to the Constitution of India, took shape in the form of this August Council. Over the decades, the Council has made significant strides in multiple sectors in the fulfillment of mandate entrusted under 6th Schedule. Particularly in recent years, under the dynamic visionary leadership of our Honorable CM Sir, Sri Devalan Gaurasa ji, the Council has accelerated developmental activities across the district. Under his able leadership, the commendable initiative to introduce free coaching program for the underprivileged students of the district who prepare such as NEET, G and other civil services. This is in fact empowering our youths to aspire for excellence in professional fields. Besides, the Council has also taken significant steps under the leadership of our Honorable CM Sir towards the preservation of our rich cultural heritage, languages and traditional institutions true to the spirit of the 6th Schedule. Before I conclude, I would especially like to place on record our appreciation for the tireless efforts, commitment and visionary leadership under his able leadership. Renewed momentum, stability and development progress, bringing new hopes and aspirations to people of Dimasa. Strengthen our forces one people and inspire us to work together for a brighter and future. With these words, I once again extend my heartfelt welcome to all of you to this meaningful and historic occasion. Thank you.
तो अभी हमारे दिमासा ऑटोनमस काउंसिल का एक सॉवेनियर रिलीज किए जाएंगे। हमारे दिमासा ऑटोनमस काउंसिल के ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन सर के हाथों द्वारा लिखे गए एक किताब वो भी रिलीज किए जाएंगे। स्टेज पर लाने के लिए मैं अनुरोध करती हूँ।